Camera or video?
Okay, we're just gonna go on a nature walk. This is Roman.
Yeah, I'm gonna be.
So,
I'll have the gun.
But I'm warning you, he steps in water.
Yeah, I stepped in water.
Yeah, so anyways, we're just gonna go and I'll do the flaming. He's gonna have a gun. So,
This is my gun.
okay, let's go.
You guys want to go in a different cool area?
Yeah.
Okay, follow me.
Okay, we're just gonna go on a nature walk. And this is our dog, Charlie. Hey, Charlie.
If he wants to come up, if you want
Say
to
hi. Sorry.
If he wants to come up us, he'll come up us.
Okay. I'm just filming. Can it just be me and Roman?
Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys where to go.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that walk with the shelter. And I'm like, I have like so much, I'm gonna get like so much stars on me.
Well, that's why I'm bringing you guys this way. So you
Should we post this video?
can walk on the path.
Yeah, on YouTube. It's posted on YouTube. Why do I keep jumping on my gun? I mean, I'm dropping my gun. Are we gonna see that trail cam we put up?
The trail cams are down right
Oh.
I'm doing a great job on the
Oh
filming.
yeah, this way. We're gonna hit a pond, okay?
Okay.
now. So if you go down here, it gets really wet. So be very careful, okay?
Okay.
But you guys can walk down this path and then come back and
What was that? There's like a greenish yellowish beetle. Like.
yeah, there's all sorts of different stuff you've never seen.
Okay.
All
Ready?
right, have
Let's go.
fun.
Okay.
I think Charlie might follow us this time.
Yay!
Come on, Charlie.
Okay, Charlie's coming out with us, right? That's the old rusty playground.
Yeah. Oh, you call that a playground?
That's not a playground.
I got it.
What is this?
Daddy. Are they heavy?
Yes.
Oh yeah, they're quite heavy actually, guys.
Okay.
Oh god, the rope's so rusty, it feels like metal.
Okay, come on. Charlie. Okay, come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on!
Hello, I'm just loading it.
Okay.
See, you can tell like those little white things.
Cattails.
Cattails, yeah, cattails. Yep. You did say that we would hit water, right? Did you see that splash?
Yeah. What? Okay.
Yep, water. This hand? Okay, yeah.
Okay, step in water. Don't step in water like you do.
I love stepping in water.
In mud water.
Nope.
Why do you? Okay. This way.
Pretty sure it's this way.
Anyways. Yes. Jump.
Perfect. I wanted to do a parkour roll, but my feet hurt that.
Anyways, we're gonna do parkour. Okay? Let's do this.
I'm the master parkour, so I think I should go first. But Santi doesn't know what a Kong is. I don't know what Kong is. It's where you jump on your hands and you put your legs in between your hands. It's like,
Spider web. Ow.
how does a spider web hurt you?
He repeats the letter.
Yeah, I can do that. I do that. I
On
can hear you.
accident.
I have really good ears.
Anthill.
Where's the anthill?
Right there. In front of your face.
This?
Yeah, that's an anthill. He shot an anthill.
Didn't even fire.
Come on, Roman.
Reloading it.
Hold
Sandy
on,
can't even
water.
reload this.
Yeah, I could. I could reload it.
Get out of my way. And we're having a sleepover.
Yeah, that too. And when we get home from this nature walk, we're gonna
Eat some Mario Kart, then some Plants vs. Zombies gonna work for too. EW.
guys, what do you think? Should we walk on this log or walk on the side? Let's walk on this side.
Yeah.
Wait,
Sideline.
make it more parkour. Okay, let's go over here.
Yeah, too much water, guys.
Okay, sorry guys.
Make that jump.
Huh?
I don't even need to jump.
Okay, we're trapped.
Going that way.
But the water. I know.
Here, I'll go first because follow me. I'll go first because you have the camera. I don't think that's the way.
Come, follow me. We have to. We have to do it. Guys, we don't know. Should we just walk on this log?
Follow me. Follow me. I know a way. I know a way. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
It's all wet and muddy over there. Ow! There's water in my shoes. But, parkour.
Ready? Parkour. What? Yeah, you gotta learn how to be wet.
Okay.
Oh God, water is going in my shoes. That feels good. That feels awesome.
Ah!
This feels good?
No. No, it doesn't. What do you think? Okay, this is gonna soak up. So,
Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes.
ah! We're trapped in this water.
No, we're not.
Roman! Roman! Follow me! You
Where?
can walk over there and go with that.
What's
Plank! That plank over there.
Oh yeah, that plank.
Good thing I have to get wet again. Ugh. I hate getting wet.
Take off your shoes and socks. It'll feel good.
Well, we're still, I guess. What does my shirt look like?
It's sort of wet.
Ugh. Fine, I'll do it.
There's so much water in my shoes.
Okay, come on. Or else our viewers won't be ha! No! Mm.
First fail. How did you get over there? Oh. This is the way that we were.
Well,
made it
guys.
so.
Whoa, shoot. Well, anyways, what if I dropped your phone in the water? Anyways. Okay, guys, we're back in here again. So,
I forgot. Wait. Follow me.
Roman, the parkour champion, gonna show the way. With shoelaces tied in branches. Okay, next episode we will continue on our nature walk. Okay,
Get out of this.
let's go.